Hello children, welcome to my channel ML Agrawal classes. Today we are going to solve few very important problems of integration using trigonometric identities. Initially I will solve these 5 problems and these remaining 5 problems you can try yourself. So first question is, this can be written as sin square x whole square dx. We know that cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. So replacing sin square x by 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square dx. This is equal to 1 upon 4. Applying the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square dx. Now multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2, we will get 2 minus 4 cos 2x plus 2 cos square 2x. We know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. We have doubled the angle in the left hand side, 2x to 4x. So the angle in the right hand side will also be doubled, x to 2x. So 2 cos square 2x is equal to 1 plus cos 4x. So this is equal to 1 upon 8, 2 minus 4 cos 2x plus 2 cos square 2x is 1 plus cos 4x dx. So this is equal to 1 upon 8, 2 plus 1 3 minus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x dx. This is equal to 1 upon 8, 3 integration dx minus 4 integration cos 2x dx plus integration cos 4x dx. This is equal to 1 upon 8. Integration of dx is x. Minus 4 integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2 plus integration of cos 4x is sin 4x upon 4 plus constant of integration c. So this is equal to 1 upon 8, 3x minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 upon 4 sin 4x plus constant of integration c. Question number 2, 10 power 4x dx. This can be written as 10 square x into 10 square x dx. This is equal to 10 square x. This 10 square x is equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. Multiply by 10 square x inside the bracket. 10 square x into sec square x minus 10 square x dx. This is equal to 10 square x sec square x dx minus tan square x dx. This can be written as tan square x sec square x dx minus sec square x minus 1 dx. Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. Let tan x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, sec square x dx is equal to dt. So tan square x is t square, sec square dx is dt minus integration of sec square x tan x and integration of 1 is x. Integration of t square is tq upon 3 minus tan x minus x plus constant of integration c. So this is equal to 1 upon 3 t. T means tan qx minus tan x plus c. Question number 3, sec power 4x dx. This can be written as sec square x into sec square x. Sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x dx. Sec square x into 1 sec square x plus sec square x into tan square x dx. Integrate separately sec square x dx plus sec square x into tan square x dx. For this portion, let tan x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, sec square x dx is equal to dt. Integration of sec square x is tan x plus sec square x dx is equal to dt, and tan square x will be t square. So this is t square dt, or tan x plus integration of t square is tq upon 3 plus constant of integration. So tan x plus 1 upon 3, what is t? Tan x. So this becomes tan qx plus c. Question number 4, sin power 5x dx. We can write it as sin power 4x into sin x. In case of odd powers, make them even by separating one term. Now sin power 4x can be written as sin square x whole square into sin x dx. This sin square x we can write it as 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x dx. Let cos x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, minus sin x dx is equal to dt, and sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So this is 1 minus cos x is t, so 1 minus t square whole square. Sin x dx is minus dt, so I'll take minus sign outside. Now this is equal to 1 plus t power 4 minus 2t square dt. Now integrate each term separately. Minus t plus t power 5 upon 5 minus 2 t cube upon 3 plus constant of integration c. So this can be written as minus, what is t? T is cos x. So cos x plus 1 upon 5 cos power 5x minus 2 upon 3 cos cube x plus constant of integration. Question number 5th. Tan power 5x dx. This can be written as tan square x into tan cube x dx. Tan square can be written as sec square x minus 1 into tan cube x dx. This is equal to multiply by tan cube x inside the bracket. So sec square x tan cube x minus tan cube x dx. Integrate each term separately. So sec square x tan cube x dx minus tan cube x dx. This can be written as sec square x tan cube x dx minus tan cube x can be written as tan x into tan square x dx. This is equal to sec square x tan cube x dx minus tan x and sec square x minus 1. Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. This is equal to sec square x tan cube x dx, multiply inside the bracket and separate each term. So minus tan x sec square x dx minus minus plus tan x dx. Now let tan x is equal to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, sec square x dx is equal to dt. So this is equal to sec square x dx dt and tan cube x t cube minus integration sec square x dx is dt and tan x t plus integration tan x dx. This is equal to integration of t cube 1 upon 4 t power 4 integration of t square upon 2 and integration of tan x is log sec x plus constant of integration c. What? Substituting the value of t here. So 1 upon 4 tan power 4x minus 1 upon 2 tan square x plus log sec x